guys, you and me for the win here, and today we are going to be creating a mod using Eclipse. So first what we're going to do is we're going to create a file on our desktop or wherever you want it, and for this tutorial I'm going to rename it to tutorial mod. 1 second guys, I need to turn my lights on. Red? Yeah, that'll do. Right, tutorial mod. We can put a space in this, doesn't matter. Right, so now that's done, we're going to go onto our browser. And we're going to download, let's download this. So all these links will be in the description, by the way. And this is the MDK. This is essential. If you don't have this, well, if you don't have any of these, you can't do any of them. So be onto this page, and we need to click MDK. This one right here. These ones are useless to you. So click MDK. Comes up with this rubbish. And just don't click anything here. Next, skip. And you got this. So you want to save as. You want to put it desktop, tutorial mod, save. And now that's done. So we can get rid of that. And we'll do this now. So we're going to here, and we've got this. We'll double click it, and extract, or if you go back, just click extract all, and we'll put it in the same location, extract, and there we go. So they're all here, and now we can remove this file right there. And let's not do anything else beyond here for a second, so we can close that. Let's go back to the internet. And now we need to download, which one is this? JDK, yes, this one. So this is the JDK. So we want to click accept here, and we want to go down here to your version. Mine is Windows 64. Click it, and we'll just save it onto our desktop for now. Alright, there we go guys, it just finished. So we want to open folder, and yep, we don't want to run that yet. Now we want to go to the JRE8, and I want to click accept again, and once again choose your version. Mine is, don't choose these ones by the way, just choose this one if you're 86, and you don't want to choose the tar one. So oh wait, if you're 86 you need to use this one, the offline one, but I am this one. And once again we want to save it onto our desktop, and I'll time lapse this one too if it takes a while. The things. So now we don't need either of these, and now we've got Eclipse. You can use any IDE that can run something, so if it can run like applications or whatever, yeah, you need one like that. So you can use IntelliJ, but the setup will be slightly different for each one, so just remember that. I'm only doing it for Eclipse because I only use Eclipse, and I think it's the best in my opinion. So you'll just want to click download, don't click any of this, don't want any of this, and we want to save it onto our desktop again. So save. Now we can close our internet. So first we need to empty my recycle bin. Right, we need to run the JDK, so this one. So just run this, click yes. You might not have saw that, I have no clue, but pop-up window comes up. Preparing to install, click next, next. Right, so there we go, and now we just want to click close, and we can delete that now. Now we're going to run the JRE. Click yes. These all take quite a while. They're probably going to take longer for me because I already have it, so it has to remove the files I already have. That's fine. You want to click install, click OK. And there we go, that's done. So now we can click close and remove this. So now all we have is the installer. So you want to double click this. And we'll let it load. So once this is loading, you'll just want to click this one, and you want to click install, but I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. And once you've clicked install, just close it afterwards, after it's installed. But obviously I'm not going to do that one because I already have Eclipse. Yeah, just trust me on that one. And you want to empty your... Oh wait, no. You can't download Eclipse. And I'll show you why. I always make this mistake. So in your search bar of your PC, search PC, and it will come up with this PC. Click on this, click Properties. That's not right, is it? Oh no, Advanced System Settings. Environment Variables. Right, and now here you have this. So, in the top, you want to click New. You want to type in all caps Java _home. For here, you want to browse file. Wait, no, that's not right. Browse directory. And you want to go this PC, local disk, or whichever one. Program files, Java. And you want to click JDK and click OK, and that will put it in there for you, and then click OK, and if you click edit you can just double check it's there. Right, and now you want to go down to system variables, you want to find path, click edit. And so here we have this. We want to click, well, I'll delete it, actually, delete, right, and new. So here you want to browse, you want to do this PC, you want to do here, you want to go program files, Java, JDK 191, bin, and click OK. And then that will add that as a path. And click OK. And you can check it's there just by clicking on path and edit, and it'll be at the bottom. And click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now don't edit any of the other things that were there. You just want to edit those. Right, and now you can run the Eclipse installation and run the first one, so you're installing the Java stuff. And once you've done that, I'll give you a second to pause the video. Right, so now you've done that, you want to load up Eclipse, and it should load up like this. Wait, no you don't. Wait, give me a second, because my Eclipse needs to load and then unload. Real quick. Exit. Don't load Eclipse, you can close it once it's open. Right, so you want to go into your tutorial mod, or your mod folder. You want to run this file, gradlu.bat. So double click it. And just let it run. Yours will probably take longer, because it has to install loads of stuff. I might have to too, actually. Oh, and just allow access to your file. It's safe, don't worry. It's just, it needs to have access. Oh, no, yours will probably take longer, so I'll let you pause the video and do it again. Right, so now that's finished, we want to click New. Inside of here, we want to go Text Document, delete the name, and rename it run.bat. Enter. If you change the file, yeah, click Yes. Right click it, then click Edit. And in here, we want to do gradlu setup decomp workspace Eclipse, and click File, Save. And we also want to create another file, text document, delete this, and rename it build.bat. You're not going to use this now, but you'll use it in the future. It's just easier to have it now. And we'll edit this, and inside we want to do gradlu build. And save. Right, now you want to run.bat. Alright guys, so it's finally done. That took so long. It took about 8 minutes and about 50 seconds, so almost 9 minutes. Like, what is this madness? It's never took me that long before. So, yeah, it probably will take you a long time. If it looks like it's crashed or frozen on any of them, just wait. Trust me, it hasn't. It can take a long time. I know it took them almost half an hour. It takes a while, and I don't know why, to be honest. But yeah, it takes a while. So don't think that it crashed, because it probably didn't. You're probably just not patient enough. So yeah, it can take a long time. If it takes longer than half an hour, it's most likely crashed. But if you can, I would maybe leave your PC for a while just to make sure. Just go do something else around your house. Just leave your PC on for a while, because it might just be taking a very long time. But if it takes more than like an hour to half an hour, half an hour to an hour, then it's probably not working. I just thought I'd mention that. And do not run build.bat, it's useless right now. And yeah, that's it. So now you can load up Eclipse, which I have on my taskbar, because I use it all the time. It's basically what I have my PC for. And we will try to get straight into it. course, mine's already on workspace, so yours probably won't. So what you want to do, you want to go File, you want to go Switch Workspace, up, or what yours comes up with, and it should bring up something a bit like this, or it might just bring up this when you load up Eclipse. You want to click Browse, and you want to locate your tutorial mod. So double click it, and yep, there we go. And click Eclipse, and then select Folder, and it will just do this. It'll build the workspace, all that. Here we go, and maybe it will. 5 hours later. There we go. I don't know why that took me so long. Probably because I have a few workspaces on my computer. I now have 3 workspaces. So that might be why. Probably won't take you this long. Actually, I have some more on USBs and stuff. So, let's fix our workspace. Full screen, obviously. And this is all preference, but this is what I advise. So, I advise you move that in a bit, because it's a bit far out, you don't need that much space. Close task list, close outline, close problems, close Java doc, and close declaration. Go up here, go to window, go show view, and click console, and that should go to the bottom. If not, just drag it. So say it spawns over there, drag it down here. Right, now you want to open this using the arrows, and you want to open it up fully, kind of. Right, and you want to delete this package right here. So delete. Right, and we're going to rename MDK example, and we're going to rename, this can have spaces by the way, tutorial mod. Right, now before I start any of the coding, I would like to mention I mean it's not essential, but I advise you learn Java before you do this. It's just a lot easier for everyone. If you want bug fixing and stuff, it's a lot easier. But you don't have to, it's not essential. Right, so you want to create a new package. In fact, I'll re-show you how to do that. So right click this, new package, and you want to name it com dot the name of your mod, so tutorial mod dot your Minecraft username. So Murty is mine, and finish. In here, oh, first, before we do anything else, we want to go over to here to view menu, click on that, click package presentation, and put it to hierarchical. It just makes things look nicer. In here we want to make a new package, and we want to call it dot util, and we want to create a new package, and get rid of dot util, and rename it objects, and then that will fix this. So you open that, and then you got this. Oh, and we want to create a new package dot init. We want to create a new package dot proxy. We want to create a package inside of util, and we want to name it dot handlers. And we want to create another package, get rid of handlers, and change it to dot interfaces, and then that'll do that. In objects, we want to create a new package dot blocks, and we want to create another package, get rid of dot blocks, and replace it with dot items. We want to make another package, which will be dot tabs. I'm just kind of setting this all up now, and I think that's it for now. So I want to create a new class inside of our main package, and we want to name it, I would say you can kind of call this whatever you want. Most people call it main, but if you're trying to create a professional mod, what you want to call it is the name of your mod. So tutorial mod is what I'm going to call mine, because it's just easier, and hit finish. And that will fill out this. Right, so you got this now. In util, you want to create a new class, and you want to call this reference, and hit finish. And in reference, you want to create a public static final string mod underscore id equals, and you want to do quotation marks and semicolon, and inside this you want to put whatever you want your mod ID to be. So for me, I'm going to put tutorial mod and hit save. Right, and you want to create another one of these, public static final, and we want to do string. I cannot type today. String version in all caps equals. We'll do that again, and we want to do 1.0. We want to copy this again, and we want to name it to is it MC version? No, what is it? Oof. I'm just going to leave it as that for now. But we want to get rid of what's inside there and put square brackets around the outside, and 1.12.2. Oh wait, no, not around the outside. I am actually stupid. I swear down. You want to put square brackets on the inside, and then you want to do public static final string name equals, and this is the name of your mod. So mine is tutorial mod. You want to do 2 more, and I like to space these ones out because they're slightly different. Public static final string client underscore proxy underscore class equal to 2 quotation marks. Inside here, actually no, we're not going to do this yet. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste and change client to common. We'll see what these are in a minute. So, now that we have this, this is wrong, but I can't remember what it is. I don't know. We'll have a look at that later. It's not important right now. And here we want to do an app mod above the class, and we want to do inside this. We want to do mod id equals reference.mod, and it should come up with this. Click mod id version equal to reference.version, and we want name equal to reference.name. Oops. Sorry about that, my headset fell off. Right. And you see we have an error here, so what you want to do is do Control, Shift and O, or you can hover over it and click Import, but Control Shift O will automatically import it, which is obviously a lot easier. Inside here we want to do an @instance, not instancer, and we want to do public and static. Sorry, my headset keeps falling off. Tutorial mod, aka the name of this class, and we want to put instance, not minstance. What am I on? I really can't type today. And I'm going to import it. Down here we need to do @sided proxy. Inside this we want to do client side is equal to reference dot, and let's import reference. What's happening here? Oh, we have a reference. Okay, reference dot. Okay, it's not liking this. Client underscore proxy underscore class, and then we want to do server side is equal to reference dot common proxy class. Oop, too many S's. I want to go down, and we want to do public static common proxy and we want to import sided proxy. We can't import common proxy because we haven't made it yet. Now let's do the last three methods. So we want to do public void. Oh no, wait 1 second. We need to do an @event handler and pre-init. And let's just open the triangular brackets and import event handler. In here we want to do fml pre-initialization event, and you're not going to have anything inside of this, so we're going to copy it, paste, so you should have 3, and get rid of pre, so it's just init without a capital. Get rid of pre there, so it's just initialization. Get rid of pre here and replace with post, and change pre here to post, and import those. Right, now let's work on the proxies. So you want to close this, and you want to go proxy, new, class. You want to name this one common proxy. Let's create another class and call it client proxy. And there is a server proxy, but we're not going to do that just because you probably won't use it. There's other ways of doing server proxies which don't involve, you know, all the complicated stuff. So I'm just going to pull up a text document because I have this all out. So here's our client proxy class. So I'll have this all in the description. All these little pieces of code I'm using will be in the description. And in common proxy we have this one, and that will clear up this error. And then yeah, that's it for now. And we're going to go into util. We're going to do interfaces and new interface, name it I as model. So I know for some of you more advanced modders watching this video, you don't need this. You can use other ways of doing it, but like, it's complicated because most people use this, and it's just to make sure it kind of renders. Is it public static void, or is it just public void? Public void. There we go. So we can close this, close this, close this, and we'll go into reference. So in reference in here, in the client one, we want com dot tutorial mod dot turtywurty dot proxy dot client proxy, and we're going to copy this, copy, paste, replace client with common proxy, and that's that done. And let's import common proxy. There we go. And we should have no errors. So we can close all those now, we don't need them anymore. In handlers, inside the util package, we're going to create a new class, and we're going to call it registry handler. Enter. Right, and I have the code for this because this is very, very long class. So this will all be in the description, obviously, because I'm not that mean. And we'll put that in. And I'm obviously going to get rid of this because we don't have blocks yet. And get rid of this because we also don't have blocks, once again. And we don't need this. Is that it? Why is the console so big? I just realised that. That took me so long to realise. Oh, wait 1 second, we're missing something in our main class. So we want another event handler, and we want to do public void, and we want server init, we want fml, and we want server starting event, and we will fill these out in more advanced tutorials because these are slightly more advanced things. These will be for like entities, tile entities, stuff like that. So will the registry handler. Let's import I has model. And just to clear up these errors, I'm going to make the item init class. So inside init, you want new class, and we're just going to call it item init. We're not going to create an item this episode, but we'll do this. So we'll do public static final. Oh, what's that? Final list off of item, and call it. Oh, what's this? Items equals new array list. What the hell? Once again, off of item, and open those and close. Import all these. So net from net.minecraft.items.item and java.util.list. You don't want AWT. Click finish, and these will all open up, and then that should fix all the errors. So if we just import item init, and we have no errors. So anyway guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoyed, please do be sure to share it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, which will be posted straight after this one. So goodbye guys.